We are going well. We've created our first base sketch and then extruded it, and we're up to step 5 now, which is to create a sketch of the raised section here and then extrude that out. So to start off, we need to do our sketch first of all. So click on the Create 2D Sketch button, and now it'll ask you to select a plane that you'd like to sketch on, and you can move your mouse over the existing model here and pick any surface that you want to sketch on, but we would like to sketch on this surface here. So I'm going to select here. The model spins around, so that surface is facing you. I'm going to pan it down just a little bit, and now I'm going to start drawing my lines, or drawing the shape of that sketch. Now I want to start somewhere on this line here, so I just click anywhere. I draw my first line and click again. I don't worry about the angle just yet, that'll fix itself up later on. So click anywhere, and now I want to draw an arc, but as I move around you can see it's trying to draw another line. So to swap it to arc, you simply move your mouse back to that existing point that you had, click and hold that left button down, and then you can start drawing an arc. Now when I get to here, you can see it's going to finish at a horizontal position to that center point. So I'm just going to click, or release the mouse button I should say, and now come down. Now this line should be perpendicular to that surface, so when I see that little symbol I'm happy, click, and that's the rough shape of the sketch. Now we need to fully constrain it, and we do the rest of the constraints now with the dimension tool. So I'm going to apply a dimension, so from this surface, this line here, to the center point of that arc is going to be, what size is that? 38. So I'm going to type 38. And now from from the bottom surface here to that center point is going to be 32. The distance from this line to that point is going to be 10. And now the final one is this arc, or this, what is the diameter of that. So you click and come out. It's saying it's 17, it should be 18, so type 18. So that should be our shape. It's the center point is determining the height. This distance is determining the start point, and we're perpendicular here, so that's all good. So I click the Finish Sketch button, it spins around, and now I'm ready to extrude that sketch. So click on the Extrude button, select the profile that you'd like to extrude just by moving your mouse over it and then clicking. And it's going to extrude in this direction here, which is not the correct direction. So I'm just going to go over to here and click flip to the opposite direction. And the final thing to do here is to set the distance of that extrusion, and that will be 12.5. So 12.5. Click OK. So we've finished step 5.